We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Magnetic Fidget Pen, a multifunctional writing tool and spinner magnet toy designed for kids, teens, and adults seeking both productivity and stress relief. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description below. Using it supports the channel. The Magnetic Fidget Pen by Fangi stands out as a unique blend of creativity, practicality, and innovation. Designed as both a high-quality writing instrument and a modular fidget toy, it offers a multifaceted experience that goes far beyond traditional pens. At its core, this pen is engineered to provide not only a smooth writing experience, but also a satisfying tactile outlet for those who need to keep their hands busy, whether for focus, stress, relief, or pure entertainment. Measuring 5.4 inches in length and weighing just 1.73 ounces, the Magnetic Fidget Pen is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable for students, professionals, and travelers alike. Its sleek metallic finish gives it a modern and stylish appearance, making it suitable for a variety of settings, from classrooms and offices to home workspaces and on-the-go environments. The pen is equipped with 13 colorful magnetic rings, 2 touchscreen nibs for device navigation, 2 pen caps for protection, a pen clip for convenience, and a collection of magnetic balls in various sizes for building and maneuvering. The inclusion of 2 ink refills ensures longevity, while the standard ballpoint tip provides reliable and smooth writing performance. Users consistently praise the pen's writing capabilities. Unlike many novelty pens that suffer from scratchy tips or inconsistent ink flow, the Magnetic Fidget Pen delivers a surprisingly smooth and pleasant writing experience. The ink flows evenly and the pen glides effortlessly across the page, making it suitable for note-taking, journaling, and everyday writing tasks. The ergonomic design ensures that the magnetic rings do not interfere with grip or comfort, even during extended writing sessions. Many reviewers note that the weight of the rings provides a subtle sense of grounding, which can be relaxing and help maintain focus during brainstorming or long meetings. However, the true appeal of the Magnetic Fidget Pen lies in its modular magnetic construction. The pen can be broken apart and reassembled into a variety of shapes and structures, such as mini sculptures, spinning tops, or simple geometric designs. Each magnetic ring snaps securely into place around the barrel, allowing for endless combinations and creative possibilities. This feature transforms the pen from a mere writing tool into an interactive desk toy that encourages exploration and imaginative play. The magnetic components provide a satisfying clicking sound and smooth movement, which many users find soothing and effective for relieving stress and anxiety. The pen's fidgeting capabilities are especially appreciated by individuals with ADHD, autism, or those who simply struggle to stay focused during prolonged periods of work or study. The ability to manipulate the rings and balls offers a discrete outlet for excess energy, helping users stay engaged without being overly distracting. Parents and educators report that the pen is particularly beneficial for children and teens, as it provides both a practical writing tool and a constructive way to channel fidgeting tendencies. The pen's versatility also makes it an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or as a back-to-school item, catering to a wide range of ages and preferences. Durability is another area where the Magnetic Fidget Pen receives high marks. The build quality is solid, with strong magnets that maintain their hold even after repeated use. The materials feel sturdy and resilient, capable of withstanding the rigors of daily handling and play. The pen comes packaged in a protective case, which not only adds to its presentation as a gift, but also helps keep the various components organized and secure when not in use. The inclusion of multiple ink refills and interchangeable parts further extends the pen's lifespan, ensuring that it remains a staple in your toolkit for months or even years. Despite its many strengths, the Magnetic Fidget Pen is not without its drawbacks. Some users caution that the pen may not be ideal for formal settings, such as business meetings or quiet classrooms, as the clicking and snapping sounds can be distracting to others. Additionally, the pen's modular design means that it contains several small parts, which can be easy to misplace if not handled carefully. This is particularly important for younger children, as the small magnetic pieces could pose a choking hazard if not used under supervision. Over time, depending on the brand and frequency of use, some magnets may lose a bit of their strength, although this does not appear to be a widespread issue with the Fangi model. From a value perspective, the Magnetic Fidget Pen is widely regarded as a worthwhile investment. The combination of high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and multifunctional features makes it a standout among both writing instruments and fidget toys. Users note that the pen offers excellent value for money, especially considering the included accessories and replacement parts. The colorful rings and customizable configurations add a layer of personalization that is often lacking in standard desk toys, making each pen feel unique to its owner. The Magnetic Fidget Pen's appeal extends to a broad audience. Professionals appreciate its sleek design and practical utility. Artists and creative thinkers enjoy the endless possibilities for building and shaping, and gadget enthusiasts are drawn to its innovative approach to everyday tools. The pen's ability to function as both a reliable writing instrument and a stress-relieving toy makes it a versatile addition to any workspace or study area. Its compact size ensures that it can be easily carried in a backpack, pocket, or even a wallet, providing on-the-go entertainment and focus whenever needed. In summary, the Magnetic Fidget Pen by Evdengi is a thoughtfully designed product that successfully bridges the gap between functionality and fun. It offers a smooth and enjoyable writing experience, robust fidgeting capabilities, and a durable, stylish construction that stands up to daily use. While it may not be suitable for every environment due to its interactive nature and small parts, it excels as a personal tool for stress relief, focus, and creative expression. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users highlights its effectiveness as both a pen and a fidget toy, with many noting its impact on productivity, engagement, and overall well-being. If you are searching for a unique gift or a new addition to your desk setup, the Magnetic Fidget Pen is an excellent choice. It combines the best aspects of a writing tool and a desk toy, offering a satisfying and versatile experience that appeals to users of all ages. Whether you are a student, professional, artist, or simply someone who enjoys innovative gadgets, this pen is sure to become a favorite companion in your daily routine. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more or purchase the Magnetic Fidget Pen. And if you already own this item, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of knowledgeable and satisfied users. The Magnetic Fidget Pen is more than just a pen. It is a testament to the power of creativity, focus, and play in enhancing our everyday lives.